Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are with Victoria today, and remember, all you need to do is just hit subscribe just to tune into plenty more videos coming your way. Today it's a bit more of a tutorial. We're going to show you how to apply the Magpie glitters to your own nails at home. So as some of you know, I am a nail tech myself, but I wanted to show you how easy it is to do yourself. You don't have to be trained as a nail tech to be able to do this and create some really great nails at home, just on yourself. Fancy trying something different, then just give it a go. So what I've got here in front of me is I've already got gel on my nails, but you can literally put this over your own nails, gel nails, acrylic nails, pretty much everything. And the glitters that I'm going to use today, I'll just hold them up for you. These are Magpie glitters. Magpie glitters are like, they're just amazing. They're really beautiful colours, easy to work with, really affordable as well. The only thing I would say with glitters is, as you'll probably have used glitters at home before, whether it's makeup, body glitter, nail glitter, it literally goes everywhere. So just try and keep it to a minimum. And I'm also going to be working with these little trays here just to catch the excess, because as I said, it does literally end up everywhere. So the colour that I'm going to work with today, this one is called Becky and it's by Magpie Glitter. And the other thing I'm going to be working with is a Magpie applicator. Now, if you haven't got something like this at home, then dig through your makeup drawer. You want something similar sort of shape to this, of an old makeup brush, like an eyeshadow brush, that kind of thing. Or even like if the kids have got like paint things that they've been using at home, arts and craft bits, you can probably dig out a brush there, give it a good clean up and use that kind of thing. So what you need to do first of all is, if you're not working with gels, you can do this with normal nail polish. I'm going to show you with a gel and just with a little lamp. So I will show you the application first of all. So what I'm going to do is just put a clear gel on first of all, and then we're going to pop that under the lamp. The gel always needs something like to stick to. So I'm just going to literally brush this over. I'll just let you go close up so you can see. I'm just going to pop this on over the top like so. And I'm just going to leave that tiny gap right the way around the side walls. Now the reason, if you aren't nail trained, the reason that we do this is just to prevent any lifting. So we don't want the gel running around the side walls and the cuticle, because it will just peel away. So once I've put that on, I'm just going to pop it under to my lamp. The lamp that I'm working with today is an LED lamp, so it's one of those that you can just put it on literally for 30 seconds and then pull it out. If you're working with like a normal nail polish at home, you haven't got a lamp, pop your nail polish on and then you need to go straight on with your glitter. Just be a little bit more gentle if you're working with normal nail polish, because it tends to go a bit more sticky when you're working with it. Whereas gel, once it's under here, it'll be sticky, but it's not going to move anywhere. So you can pick these lamps up and that though to get one yourself at home. They're just brilliant to have. So what I've got here, as you can see, is lovely bright glitter. I'm going to dip my brush into the glitter, try and not make too much mess, and then all I'm going to do is literally just start buffing this in to the nail itself. So you can see how lovely it goes on and how easy. Don't worry if you get any on the skin. It's not going to stay on the skin because there's no gel there for it to stick to. So I kind of give it a good covering, like so. And I don't know if any of you have tried glitters at home. Sometimes it can be really hard to get a smooth finish on glitter. So one of my top tips is just wipe off the excess glitter like on a pad, like so. And then this is where that round brush comes in really, really handy, should I say. All you're going to do is just literally buff it down, and by doing these small circular movements it flattens all the glitter down onto the nail. So if I just turn, you can see it goes flat onto the nail, and then we're going to top coat this, so then that will literally seal everything in, because I hate feeling my nails really rough. So when I feel over them, I want it to be smooth, but I still want to have that nice glittery finish. And then another great brush to get, and this reminds me of a bit of a paintbrush more so. This is actually a professional brush, but similar to a paintbrush. All you're going to do is just dust off the excess glitter all the way around the side, and then I'm going to top coat. Now the top coat that I'm going to use today is called a non-cleanse top coat. So what that means is it can go under your lamps, and then when it comes out, you're literally good to go. You don't have to wipe off any sticky residue Or if you're at home and you haven't got any of these products, you can just top coat it with a normal nail varnish, but just do 2 layers. So as I said, anybody can do this. You don't have to be trained as a nail tech. It's just another simple way of creating some easy nail art. Everybody loves a bit of glitter. This colour is beautiful, like for summertime on your toenails and things. It just adds a little something different. So all I'm going to do is just pop this under my lamp, again just for 30 seconds. When it comes out, I can literally then just put some cuticle oil on and I'm good to go. So if you're going out or you want something just to change, maybe you've had your nails done 2 weeks ago in the salon, they're starting to grow out a little bit, you just want to add a little something different, get yourself some Magpie glitters. You can do this at home. It might see you an extra few days before you then need to go back and have them topped up. And it just gives you that, makes you feel good, makes you try something new. So I'm just going to pull that out and then I'm just going to pop a little bit of oil just around the cuticle, just around here. As I said, glitter is one of my favourite things. So as you can see, I'll just turn that. You can see that sparkle, how quick and how easy it was to do. And it's just changed it from that normal colour just to add a little bit of glitter. When I'm doing my nails, I tend to either do it on the thumb and the ring finger, maybe not all 10, but just give it a go. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Give it a go. Let me know how you get on. And remember, all you need to do is just hit subscribe to tune into some more tutorials, reviews, products, etc. I look forward to seeing you. See you soon.